We just released a new update and a lot of people have been waiting for this for years. It's finally here and I'm happy to show you what we've just added to Edgewonk. So when you are adding or editing a trade in Edgewonk, under advanced data, you can see under trade comments, we finally have 4 categories. Previously, we had entry, exit and trade management comments, and now we have a 4th category. Currently, it's named pre-trade comments, but I will show you in a moment how you can change the name and completely customize it. But there's more. When we open now one of the sections here, we have now a multi-select feature. Previously, you could only select one entry per category, but this has been changed and now you can add multiple comments for a trade in each of the different categories. Of course, if you select multiple comments, this will also affect the tilt meter accordingly. When we go to the settings and under trade comments, you now not only see that we have the 4th category, but when you hover over the title, you can see that you can rename it and completely customize your journaling experience. By default, we named it pre-trade comments, but you can give it any other name. You could use it for post analysis, you could use it for something strategy specific, or use it in any other way. And we'd be really interested in hearing from you in the comments how you would like to use this 4th category in your trading. Of course, like before, you can change the ordering here, which will affect the ordering in the filters and also when you're adding them during your trade editing process. There's one final thing I want to show you, and in the advanced filters, of course, you see the 4 categories, and we also changed the filter mechanism, or better said, we gave you another option to change the mechanisms on how the filters change and apply. So when you click on this symbol here, you have now the OR comments stat component, which previously only applied to the custom statistics, but now also applies to the 4 categories here. So you can change between the and or comment status. This has been requested a lot, and we thought this is a great addition and added it also to this update. So once again, thank you for all the great feedback that we receive on a daily basis. And with the help of our great community, we are constantly updating and improving the Edgewonk journal. We hope you like this new feature and we'd love to hear from you in the comments what you think. And also let us know how you're going to rename your comment sections. That's always interesting for us to hear. And also you can inspire other traders and give them ideas on how to use their trading journal in a better, more efficient way. Happy journaling!